Global price prediction next week. XAUUSD swing trade signals. April 28th to May 3rd, 2025. For more predictions like this, take the following 4 actions now. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and finally hit the notification bell. Gold just made history with a new all-time high last week. But where's it heading next? In this video, I'll break down key levels and institutional positions and share ready-to-use swing trading signals for XAUUSD, covering April 28th to May 3rd, 2025. Gold opened the week at $3,331.70, touched the historic high of $3,499.91, dipped to $3,260.12, and closed at $3,316. Volatility dominated as April trading winds down, creating high opportunity zones. As April ends and May begins, we expect portfolio rebalancing, global safe haven demand, possible Fed interest rate commentary. All these factors can heavily impact gold's movement this coming week. Key technical zones to watch. Support: $3,260 and $3,200. Resistance: $3,370 and $3,400. The RSI remains bullish, and the 50-day moving average confirms a strong trend continuation. Swing trade signals for the week. Here are the ready-to-use swing trade setups for the week. Scenario 1, buy dip, preferred setup. Entry zone: $3,260 to $3,280. Stop loss: $3,199, below critical structure and 50 SMA. Take profit 1, $3,330, minor resistance / retrace. Take profit 2, $3,370, gap fill and midweek rebalancing. Take profit 3, $3,420, potential bullish momentum if sentiment flips. Note: if the price holds above $3,260 by Tuesday, expect a bullish recovery mid to late week. Scenario 2, sell rally, contingency if market sentiment worsens. Entry zone: $3,400 to $3,420, if price spikes early but fails to sustain. Stop loss: $3,460, new breakout zone. Take profit 1, $3,360, first retrace. Take profit 2, $3,310, strong support zone near weekly close. Take profit 3, $3,260, weekly low retest. Note: short only if rejection happens strongly at $3,400 to $3,420 range. My personal bias favors buying dips unless $3,200 breaks with strong momentum. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more weekly forecasts, and comment gold below if you're trading XAUUSD this week. See you in the next video.